Go. KSNT News mobile app. Now your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Becky Taylor.
Welcome back on this Friday morning. We do have a pretty windy day ahead of us, unfortunately. There's a look out of our West Topeka camera right now. Every once in a while you can see this start to shake around just a little bit, but it's nowhere near as windy as it's going to be later on this morning. We've got some pretty strong wind gusts that have already been reported. They're coming in from the west to the east, and we'll continue to see that trend throughout the morning as well. But we've got a current wind gust at 32 miles per hour in Concordia. That was 38 last half hour. 26 mile per hour gust in Emporia and a 20 mile per hour gust in Marysville. So it's not too bad just yet, but we're going to start to see those winds really ramping up going throughout the later parts of this morning. The good thing about these southerly winds, though, they have been actually warming our temperatures up through the overnight. We were at 36 degrees in Topeka at 2 a.m. this morning. Now we're sitting at 40 degrees, 41 in Marysville, 43 in Manhattan and Clay Center. We're at 37 in Emporia and Hiawatha right now. And with those slightly warmer temperatures, our wind chills aren't as bad as they could be with these strong winds. So we are feeling colder, but not as bad. We're at 29 for what it feels like in Hiawatha, 28 in Lawrence, 27 in Emporia, and it feels like 33 degrees in Concordia right now. Now, I do want to show you our future wind gusts as we go throughout this morning. This is at 7 a.m. for when it starts. Pretty strong wind gusts already, but then they get even stronger getting a little bit closer towards lunch. This is when we could see the highest of those wind speeds running between 45 or gusting between 45 miles per hour, maybe even slightly higher to around 50 miles per hour in our southeastern counties where that wind advisory is in effect until 2 p.m. Those winds start to back off a little bit as our cold front arrives, and then our winds shift to the north and west for us. They'll be pretty breezy initially behind that front into early Saturday morning, but then our winds will start to taper off for us through the day. So at least it's short-lived, but it will be very windy when we have it. Now our temperatures with those southerly winds bumping us up into the lower 50s. Tonight we should drop back into the upper 20s, and tomorrow with those northerly breezes, we'll have some slightly cooler temperatures in the low to mid 40s. Now here's a look at our satellite and radar with all those clouds moving through. This is our jet stream overlaid on it, so you can see our upcoming system moving on to the east. That's going to bring us that cold front later on, maybe a slight chance for a sprinkle or two, but for the most part, I think we're just going to be dealing with those clouds and the wind throughout the day today. So there's a closer look at that satellite and radar for us. Looking at our future track, though, we might get a little bit of some sunshine later on this afternoon and into this evening before that cold front arrives, bringing us a little bit more cloud cover overnight. Maybe a spotty chance for a sprinkle or a flurry as we get closer towards midnight, but then that clears out really quickly. The bulk of the precipitation staying well off to our south and west this time around. We'll have clear skies through the daytime on Saturday, and then we'll start a nice warm up for the first part of next week. So temperatures slightly cooler as we start off the weekend, but we're already going to warm up into the low to mid 50s on Sunday. 60 degrees coming up for Monday and just about there on Tuesday as well, but then our winds start to pick up, and then that next storm system arrives, and that's going to be probably some of the coldest air we've seen so far this season. Temperatures are high temperatures on Christmas Eve, look to be in the middle 20s right now. So by the time Santa arrives, he might have some single-digit temperatures heading into Christmas morning.
Oh my goodness, but he'll feel right at home with that.
Oh yeah, he's bringing the Arctic air with him this time.
Yeah, but a little headwind coming from Europe, so he might be 5 or 10 minutes behind schedule.
Yeah, maybe. We'll have to see.
We'll see what happens.